Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y72. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Firstly, let's open Google app, tap button in the right corner and go to settings. Open Google Assistant and go to voice match. Turn this feature on. Go back and enter lock screen. Make sure to turn this feature on too. Now we can lock the phone and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 63 and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny, with a high of 78 and a low of 52. And tomorrow, there'll be showers.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.